First, let us define key blockchain concepts. A blockchain is a tamper-evident shared digital ledger that records transactions, such as exchange of data, in a public or private peer-to-peer network. And a distributed ledger is a type of database that is shared, replicated, and synchronized among the members of a decentralized network. So why can blockchain concepts be useful? Every record in the distributed ledger has a timestamp and a unique cryptographic signature, thus making the ledger an auditable, immutable history of all transactions in the network. Therefore, the blockchain acts as a single source of truth, and members in a blockchain network can view only those transactions that are relevant to them. The need for blockchain technology on the ServiceNow platform. Sensitivity of data being transacted on the ServiceNow platform is ever increasing. At the same time, there is a potential for malicious admins or external parties tampering with data stored on the platform. Also, Now Platform security provides strong protection against invalid access, but we still need to address rogue admins and external actors executing sophisticated attacks. Furthermore, organizations need a low-cost, easy-to-use trust layer for digital workflows on the ServiceNow platform. Introducing the RecordChain distributed application, utilizing distributed ledger technology to protect data integrity. RecordChain is TMLabs' exploratory distributed application using blockchain concepts. Some key features incorporated in this release include the capability to use hashing algorithm to build a blockchain that will assist with identifying unwanted tampering activities. Distributed data across multiple instances for improved security. Local and remote instance validation whenever a record was updated after it reaches a certain state. Capability to create an incident when tampering happens to a record. And finally, tailored configuration. The app is open source so that customers can modify it to their needs. Let's take a closer look to how the RecordChain distributed application works. In an out-of-the-box ServiceNow instance, records that contain information that must not be edited can be protected via methods like ACLs and UI policies. However, a user with administrator access and know-how can bypass the security to make unauthorized changes. RecordChain uses a hashing algorithm and distributed ledger concepts to make it harder to tamper without detection. Documented record data is transformed into a hash string and is secured by comparing the current record's hash with the previous record's hash. If no tampering has been detected, a copy of the document record and its hash record is copied to other nodes in the distributed network. Here we are using the healthcare and life sciences appointment record as an example of document data we might want to secure. Initially, there are no block hash records if there is no document data. When a couple of appointment records are created, a block hash record is created for each of them. Note how the hash string matches between record pairs. If validation on the other nodes is successful, the appointment records and block hash records are synced across. When a record is tampered, the record's hash record on the local instance will update and validation of the block hash table will fail. When a user tries to add a new record on the tampered instance, the block hash validation will fail and the record is not committed. An incident record is created notifying of the failed validation. The tampered data needs to be reverted before subsequent records can be committed. Likewise, if another node creates a new document record and tries to sync it with other nodes, validation will fail on the tampered instance and the sync will not complete. Again, an incident record is created notifying of the failed validation. The tampered data needs to be reverted before subsequent syncs can complete. In this example, a user somehow updates an appointment record in instance A that should not be edited. Note how this changes the corresponding hash in the block hash table, resulting in a mismatch between the pair. When a user in instance B attempts to submit a new appointment record for the same patient, an error is thrown as the validation on instance A fails. An incident record is then created notifying of the failed validation. Subsequent submissions for this patient are not possible until the tampered record is rectified. In summary, here are the expected business benefits of the RecordChain distributed application. Improving integrity of sensitive data using blockchain concepts. Be alerted when tampering of a secured record is detected to prompt investigation. Allow customers to build use cases specific to their business. And finally, this app is for free and can be downloaded from TMLabs at the ServiceNow store. RecordChain distributed application by TMLabs. For more information, visit tmlabs.com.au.